mga panukala po na lagyan na ng water cannon yung mga vessel natin na pumapalaot. Will you give the go signal on that, sir?
No. What we are doing is defending our sovereign rights and our sovereignty in the West Philippine Sea. And we have no intention of attacking anyone with water cannons or any other such offensive, I would have to call them weapons dahil nakaka-damage na. So no, we will not follow the Chinese Coast Guard and the Chinese vessels down that road. It is not the mission of our Navy, our Coast Guard, to start or to increase tensions. Their mission is precisely the opposite, is to lower tensions. Pagka nangyayari, water cannon yung mga barko natin, ay nagpapadala tayo ng demarche, nagpapadala tayo ng sulat sa China and the other stakeholders.